Sedimentary rocks are deposited in a basin. Basins are depressions where sediments are deposited in layers. These layers are called beds. Beds are distinctly different from overlying and underlying subsequent beds of different sedimentary rock. They, they form on the Earth's solid surface over a long period of time. These beds may be horizontal or inclined or vertical. These orientation of beds depend upon the configuration of surface of deposition in the basin. Beds may be tilted or inclined from their horizontal position after deposition by some tectonic activity in the basin. Amount and direction of inclination of a bed are expressed by dip and a strike. Dip is the angle between bedding and horizontal plane. It is measured in vertical plane. Strike is the direction of line formed by intersection of bedding and horizontal plane. As we know, the direction of the line along which an inclined bed intersects a horizontal plane is known as the strike of the bed. Azimuth of a strike may vary in between 0 to 360 degree in horizontal plane. If azimuth of a strike is 0 or 180 degree, then direction of a strike is north-south. If azimuth of a strike is 90 degree or 270 degree, then direction of a strike is east-west. If azimuth of a strike is 45 degree or 225 degree, then direction of a strike is northeast to southwest. The dip of a bedding plane may be represented by the line lying within this plane at right angle to the direction of strike. When inclination of this line at right angle to the direction of strike, then it is true dip. A number of other lines inclined at various angles to the direction of strike. This line gives the apparent dip of bedding plane. Apparent dip is always less than true dip. So here the relation between the dip of bedding plane and direction of a strike line is perpendicular. It means the line that indicates dip in the bedding plane is perpendicular to the direction of a strike. A bedding plane may be horizontal or inclined or vertical. Various symbols are used to denote these horizontal or inclined or vertical bedding. A plus symbol within a circle is used to indicate the horizontal bedding. Dip and strike of a inclined bedding is symbolized by this mark. Here, large vertical line is the direction of a strike. A small line that is attached to the large line indicate dip direction and their amount. The dip and strike of a vertical bedding is symbolized by plus sign, where large line indicates direction of a strike and shorter lines that makes plus symbol indicates vertical dip. Difference between dip and strike. Dip is an angle of inclination of bedding, where a strike is the direction of line formed by intersection of bedding plane with horizontal plane. Dip is a vector quantity as it has both amount in terms of angle and direction. A strike is a scalar quantity, it has only directions. Dip varies in between 0 degree to 90 degree, whereas azimuth of a strike varies in between 0 to 360 degree. Dip lies in a vertical plane, whereas a strike lies in a horizontal plane.